Oh gosh, too fast! Woo! Yeah! How's it going, everybody? We're back in the shop. And I tell you what, it's cold as hell outside here in Colorado. It just started blizzarding, but I think we're gonna take out the Infraction anyways. I just made an 8S in the last video. If you guys missed that one, I'll leave a link down in the description. But we got the XLX2 in there and a Castle 1717 1650 kV, all 8S, a bunch of air upgrades. Like I said, I'll leave a video down in the description. I believe everything's waterproof except for my receiver. I took out the stock receiver box, so I just zip tie this to the center brace. But we can make it waterproof real quick. I tell you what, let's see what we got in the shop. Oh yeah, some Trojan Ecstasy, ultra ribbed. Oh yeah. We got the condom on. And guess what? It feels like there's nothing there. It's ultra ribbed for her pleasure. Woohoo! We're out on location. And it's still basically a blizzard. I mean, it calmed down a lot, but it's still snowing quite a bit. Big wide open parking lot. Maybe we could have some fun. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a lot of fun. Woo! Right through the legs. Oh gosh, too fast! Oh! Right into the snow! I think we're okay though. Gosh! I need to calm down, guys! It's too slick for that shit. Whew, it is slick, I'll tell you what, guys. Woo. Oh yeah, that was sick. Oh, I'm scared of those poles. I've hit them plenty of times. That was sick. Oh my gosh. I tell you what, bud. That was a long drift right there, buddy! Woo! All right, my hands are officially numb, so I can't feel how cold they are, so we can keep driving. Woohoo! That was sick! I'm starting to get better at drifting, guys. No gyro. All right, all Zagger. Yeah, just scooping the snow. Woo! Why is this so much fun, guys? I tell you what. Uh-oh, it feels like it's cutting out. I think we're gonna call it a day. My hands are freaking frozen. The truck is freaking frozen. Super frozen. My hands are red and frozen. Oh, it's just too much fun. I can't stop. Oh yeah, it's cutting out. I don't know if the condom broke or what. Condom might have broke, guys. Or it's just getting hella cold. I think my remote just died. I turned it on just in case it f***ing flies away on me. Uh-oh. My remote also just died, so I don't know if it was bugging out because of that. Or because there's so much snow in here. Oh my God. Alright, I brought it inside to finish cleaning off. We got most of the slush off, but it started all freezing up out there, so it won't even come off anymore. I'm going to finish air compressing it off inside, and then we're going to test it out. My fly sky was freaking out at the end there, so I'm not sure if my XLX2 was freaking out, or my fly sky, or what. But we'll go ahead, turn it on, and we'll check the data log and everything. I got silicone WD-40 to put on afterwards, so nothing gets rusted and plastics stay nice and everything. The bearings stay nice. So I'll finish cleaning this off. Looks like the condom didn't break. We got that protection going on, so that's good. All right, we're about to test it out, make sure it's okay. So this was really low on battery and it started disconnecting, I'm pretty sure, from the low battery. If not, it got wet and it was freaking out, but this was way down on the volts, to the point where it usually disconnects for me, so I'm hoping that was a problem. So far, so good. Oh yeah. Ooh. I think I gotta set my endpoints better. God, guys, I'm a noob. Do you hear that? You can hear my servo, it's whining. All right. I think we're all good. I think my data log was full, and that's why my XLX2 was beeping at me, and this was disconnecting, and that's why I was freaking out. I think we're all good. Oh yeah, baby. Guys, this thing went straight ham in the snow. If you guys enjoy my videos as much as I do, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet. And click that bell so you don't miss any new videos.